If you're listening to this, then it means you received my package. Unfortunately, this will be my last drop, as I've been forced into hiding. With the US hostage situation, it's become unsafe to get anything out of Iran. You must get these to the press immediately. Many people's lives depend on it, including my own. If anything should happen to me, you must trust Bibi. I'm worried that our darkest days are still ahead of us. Do you remember what I said when I first joined the revolution? That it's better to die fighting for freedom than to live a prisoner.
They found us!
Bibi, what's going on?
Quick, grab the plans, we need to go now!
Okay, where is it? Okay, I got it!
You know what to do, Reza Jan.
Okay.
Breathe! You want some of this?
Come on!
You're a very lucky man, Mr. Shirazi. In my former life, I wouldn't have let you live. Drink. You must be thirsty. Reza, your chai is getting cold. Have it your way. This could be a very unpleasant place. Because here at Evin, we are correcting paths.
Correcting paths? Is that what you call this?
You will learn not to disrespect me. You were one of us. We fought side by side to overthrow the Shah, that Western puppet. What changed?
Your government is just as corrupt.
When did you lose your faith? Instead of helping the new regime, you masterminded horrendous acts of violence against us. Are you ready for your redemption? I can save you, Reza.
Go to hell.
Hell is what I'm trying to save you from, Rezajan. Open it. Go on, open it. Or are you afraid to confront your past?
I don't need your propaganda.
Pick it up. Pick it up.
Pick it up!
Next time, I won't be so gentle. Open it. Your photos rallied our nation to rebel against the Shah. But now, they are being used to identify those who plot against our new Islamic government. If you continue to resist, this won't be easy for you, Reza. Reza Shirazi, you're charged with treason and conspiring to carry out a series of attacks against the Islamic Republic of Iran. How do you plead?
Does it really matter how I plead?
Do you know what we do to traitors here in Evin prison?
Redeem them.
Yes, that's what I do. God willing, inshallah. I know so much about you, Rezajan. I know that you are coming from a very well-connected family who are loyal to the Shah. And I know about your Savak brother Hussein.
Leave my brother out of this.
I know that upon your return from Germany, you joined our fight against the Shah, despite your family's wishes. But what do you know about me? Do you know who I am? I see. My name is Asadullah Lajavardi. But you already knew that, didn't you? Now, what is my name?
Asshole Lajavardi.
Reza. Why can't you show me the decency of remembering my name? My name is Asadullah Lajavardi. But here in Evin, they call me Haj Agha. Now, what is my name?
Let's just get this over with.
What is my name?
Haj Agha.
Haj Agha. See? That wasn't so difficult. Get up. Get up! Sit! Reza, the 3 men arrested with you have been executed. They confessed. They told us everything. We found your plans to bomb the Revolutionary Guard's headquarters.
I told you, I know nothing.
Do you know what this is? Of course you don't. A city boy like you has never had a use for a cattle prod. Until now. It takes about 400 milliamps to stop a human heart. We don't want that. Not yet, anyway. But 25 milliamps? That burns you from the inside. It could damage an organ if I'm not careful. You turned away my kind offerings twice and refused to cooperate. Let's experiment. Get up. In a clear voice for the machine. Give us all the information about your collaborators and the details of your next target. Let's start with your friend, Babak Azad. Who is he? Where can we find him? Is he the one who recruited you? Was he the mastermind behind the attacks in March? Reza, don't make me use this again.
You could go to hell!
Stop talking!